Have you ever looked at a beautiful landing page and wondered, how can I build something like this? Then this video is definitely for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clone a one-page website in just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. In only 5 minutes, you will learn the exact process of recreating a modern landing page step by step, even if you are a beginner in web design or development. You don't need to write even a single line of code. Everything will be done with a simple tool that will be revealed in a few seconds. Now, before we get started, I want to make something very clear. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. The goal here is to help you improve your web design and development skills by practicing how professional websites are structured and built. I do not encourage stealing, copying copyrighted content, or using someone else's design to misrepresent their brand or business. So with that out of the way, let's get straight into the business of today. Now, there are many tools that you can use to clone websites and download them, and you will be tempted to try almost all of them. But here is what you should be careful of. When using website cloning tools or browser extensions, always be careful about the software you install on your computer. Some cloning tools may contain hidden bugs, malware, trackers, or harmful scripts that can compromise your files, browser data, passwords, or even your entire system. Always download tools from trusted sources, read reviews, scan files with antivirus software, and avoid giving unnecessary permissions to unknown apps or extensions. So the tool we are going to use for today is called Save All Resources. It is a trusted Chrome extension that I have been using for several months now. Just go to Chrome Web Store and search for it. You will see it here. Just click Add to Chrome and it will be downloaded. After adding it to Chrome, you should also pin it by clicking the extension icon, then find it here and click this pin icon. The extension will be pinned to your browser. After that, you are ready to start cloning a website. So there is this landing page that I like, and I'm going to use it for the purpose of this tutorial. So I will just paste the URL here, then click enter. Here it is. I am going to copy it exactly as it is with this tool. Once you are here, right click on any part of the page, then click inspect. After that, find this arrow and click it. Then you will see this option pop up. If you have installed the extension, then you will see resource saver in the list. But if you don't see it here, that means you haven't installed the extension or you installed the wrong one. Make sure that you installed the correct extension. Just click the resource saver and this section will open. Here you will need to enable some of these checkboxes depending on your preference. Click keep all, then compress all assets and download at once. Leave the beautify JS, HTML, CSS code option. If you turn it on, then the website may be poorly cloned. Click the next two options and leave the last one unchecked. You can pause the video to take a screenshot of the settings so you can remember it next time. After that, click Save All Resources. Once you click it, all the necessary files will be downloaded. You can scroll down to see all the files that has been downloaded. Then click the open button and you will be taken to where the files was downloaded. Here it is right here. As you can see, it is a zip file, so you need to extract it. Just right click on it, then click extract files. After the extraction, open the extracted folder. Inside you will see all these folders, but among them you will also see the folder with the name of the website you just cloned. That is the main file you need. Open the folder and inside it you will see the page you just cloned. Double tap on it to open the page in your browser. Then you will see this. Within just a few seconds, I have successfully cloned a landing page. Let's check if everything is working. As you can see, everything is working fine. All the links, images, styles, and JavaScripts are working Now you can host the website you just cloned with your own hosting and domain. If you are looking for a hosting and domain, you should try Hostinger. They are the best hosting company I have been using for several years now. Here is what you should know. This tool only clones one page at a time. So if you are planning to clone a website that has many pages, then you will have to copy page by page until you are done. If you have any questions regarding this video, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below and I will be glad to reply to you. To see more videos from my channel, simply click the subscribe button, like this video so that anytime I make a new video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching.